Hello, everybody. My name is Brian Maca. I am from Peru. I am Peruvian. I live in Quitos. I am 25 years old. Today, my first day at work, and I am very happy to be here. I would like to tell you a little about myself and my preference. I love Peruvian food, especially delicious traditional dishes. I also love music, and my favorite song is Como un burro amarrado en la puerta del baile by El Último de la Fila. Um, I love listening to music in my free time. I love going to beach because I enjoy relaxing and spending time outdoors. I also like traveling and discovering the new places. I love spending time with the people care about. I don't like to boring activities and I don't like staying on young all day. I prefer going out, having fun, and doing interesting activities. That's a little about me. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Thank you.